Attention North Huron Wingham Station. Please respond to 719 Josephine Street North at 719 Josephine Street North. Beaver Retirement Home General Fire Alarm. Key holders are pending at this time. 719 Josephine Street North for General Fire Alarm. Time of first page is 14:32. Attention North Huron Wingham Station. Please respond to 719 Josephine Street North. Your cross streets will be Jim Marks Road and London Road. General Fire Alarm key holders are pending. 719 Josephine Street North. Time of second page is 14:33.
Fire dispatch, carry 4.
Unit Con, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham Station. Wingham Station will respond shortly.
Roger that. It's 14:34.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 will be responding, Alpha Bravo plus 4 belted. You can also show we've had contact with on-site staff and firefighter. It is apparently a resident has pulled the fire alarm. Engine 1 will still be responding.
Roger that. Engine 1, I copy you responding Alpha Bravo plus 4 belted. Made contact with on-site staff. Advised that resident did pull the fire alarm. It's 14:37.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1's on scene at Braemar nursing home. Nothing's showing. Bravo will be command and mobile. We'll be investigating.
That's Roger. You are on scene at the nursing home. There is nothing showing. Bravo will be in command and mobile. Investigating. It's 14:40.
Engine 1, call command.
Go ahead, command.
Can you do me up a scene release form, please?
Yeah, roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Command has made contact with on-site staff. It is a false alarm due to pulled fire station. We'll just be doing up some paperwork. We won't be here much longer.
That's Roger, command. I copy you made contact with on-site staff. It's a false alarm due to a pulled fire station. You're just doing up paperwork now. It's 14:44.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show scenes being left with on-site staff. Command is terminated. Engine 1 returned to Wingham Station.
Roger that, command. I copy scenes being left with on-site staff. Command is terminated. Engine 1 is clear and returning. It's 14:48.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You can show us back at hall, back in service. Could you clear off this call, please?
Roger that, engine 1. You're back at hall, back in service. It's 14:52. I will clear up the call. Have a great day.